Where am I today? Where am I? I see Canadian Shield rolling right into the water. This is how we do beaches up north. And we are at Port Sydney, Ontario. Why are we here? The waterfalls water slide. That's right, Port Sydney has a waterfall water slide. It's basically Canadian Shield running from one lake into another lake with a whole bunch of algae on it. It's slippery and slidey, and it's totally awesome. To get to the waterfalls, you climb up this piece of Canadian Shield. Look at this Canadian Shield. This is all been carved by waterfalls. It's melted like clay. Port Sydney Falls, the water was a little crazier this morning. It's calmed down a bit, but it makes it better for going down the water slide. This water slide here was going a little too hardcore today. We were getting stuck right down in there, but now it's better. He was able to go and he's all the way down there. Please be aware that this is a very dangerous area to swim. You can get stuck in that undercurrent at any point, and people have died here, so be careful. It's the afternoon. It's Port Sydney Falls. There it is. There's the people. Busy day. So if you were to ask me, what is Ontario to you? It is this. Soft, rolling Canadian Shield mixed with evergreen trees and rocks. Why is there soft rolling rock? Well, it's because this area was covered by glaciers for 10,000 years. As the glaciers receded, they turned this rock into putty. And when this rock is in putty underneath thousands of kilometers of ice, well, we get this. Canadian Shield. Rolling, soft Canadian Shield. You don't need sand when you have soft rolling rock going into the water. It is amazing. Not only that, the rock warms up the water so much. It's beautiful.